Guys, I'm back. So, this flight is going to Fort Lauderdale, and that one's going to Dallas-Fort Worth. Blue one's to Dallas, yellow one's to Fort Lauderdale. Like, we're just waiting here, just plane spotting. And there's a CRJ 900 taking off. Well, guys, I think this is great content. I'm trying to make my content better. Maybe I should change my channel to Jake Aviation. We'll make a new one that says Jake Aviation. I am never going to end this channel. I'm serious. Never going to. That would be bad if I did. And there's a 717 coming in from landing. It probably came from Augusta or something. Probably, this AirTrans flying well. It's coming in from,
trash, yeah. It's good air stuff.
okay, my dad's always stubborn in some stuff. Like, it's really getting annoying. It really needs to stop 100%. Okay, so guys, we're just waiting for our flight to Miami. Well, these two Spirit Airlines. This is A320 and that one's an A319.
You want to wait right here? We're gonna go down there.
Well, hey, how about you go down there? I'm not supposed to be here by myself.
What now?
I'm just playing spotting. I'm just playing
Do you
spotting.
want to come down there with us?
No. Just give me Popeyes and come back. I'm just hungry.
He's got a phone with us.
We're boarding all Roselle Zone for flight 1146 to Dallas. All Roselle Zones are now boarding.
Let's get playing.
No, come with us.
I really don't. I am not. Dad, to let you know, here's something, Dad. It's a 777 taking off. It's probably going to Tokyo, Dad. There it goes. The 777-200 ER or LR. I don't know. There it goes, about to take off. Oh, it's Southwest. Southwest 737-700. Okay, guys, end up plane spotting. I'll tell y'all, I'll start recording again when our plane gets here. Peace out.